lada kamla mon supply gi dawai the supun biang no tang gi sunglasses.
Today is National Sports Day. The day is celebrated on 29th of August every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of legendary hockey player Major Dhyanchand's. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has extended his greeting to all the sportspersons on the occasion. Mr. Modi also paid homage to Major Dhyanchand's. On the occasion, Union Minister for Youth Affairs and Sport Anurag Singh Thakur also paid tribute to Major Dhyanchand's and will launch key initiatives on Indian sports at a function in New Delhi. In Meghalaya, a run was organized by the 67th Battalion of the Central Reserve Police Force, wherein men and women personnel of CRPF took active part in the run. National Sports Day or Rashtra Khel Diwas was included in the list of celebratory days for the first time in 2012. The weather report.